Surviving a maritime incident is just the beginning. The real challenge? Rebuilding your mental resilience afterward. Most survivors aren't prepared for the anxiety, sleep issues, and overwhelming fears that follow. Standard advice like just push through it often backfires. I'm going to share 10 evidence-based strategies from trauma specialists, including some that might surprise you because they go against common expectations. These practical approaches have helped real survivors rebuild their confidence and get back to the water safely. Stop pretending. You're fine. First things first, let's call this what it is. It sucked. Pretending otherwise is like trying to plug a ship's hull with a band-aid. You need to acknowledge the trauma, the fear, even the sheer absurdity of what happened to you. Give yourself permission to feel angry, sad, or confused. Bottling it up until you explode? That's not strength. That's just exhausting for everyone involved. Get professional help. No, I don't mean boat mechanics, though they're useful too. I'm talking about mental health professionals. Think of them as skilled salvage crews for your mind. They've got the tools to help you navigate psychological wreckage. This isn't about being weak. You wouldn't fix a broken arm with duct tape, so why try to heal trauma with just willpower? Stay connected to people. Isolation after trauma is like sailing without a compass. You'll just get lost. Connect with your crew, friends, family, or support groups. These people are your lighthouses guiding you back to safety. Share your story when you're ready. It reminds you that you're not drifting alone in the middle of nowhere. Just don't make it your only conversation topic. Set tiny goals. When your world feels completely upside down, small wins become your North Star. We're talking about victories like, I got out of bed today, or I made lunch that wasn't just sadness on bread. These little achievements build momentum. They prove you're still capable of steering your own ship, even when your internal compass feels broken. Practice being present. Your brain probably replays the incident like a broken record. Mindfulness is about dropping anchor in this moment right now. Pay attention to your breathing, your surroundings. It's not magic. It's giving your mind a vacation from the past. Sure, it feels silly at first, but it works better than you'd expect. Take care of your body. Your body and mind are more connected than most people realize. Neglecting your physical health while healing trauma is like trying to fix a boat that's still taking on water. Eat real food, get some sleep, move around. Even a short walk counts as a victory when you're struggling. A healthier body makes for a slightly less miserable mind. Find something that matters. After trauma, your sense of purpose might feel like it got washed overboard. Rediscover what gives your life meaning. Volunteer work, old hobbies, or even mastering the perfect cup of coffee. Having something to focus on beyond the incident gives you a reason to face tomorrow. It reminds you there's more to life than what happened. Learn to handle your emotions. Emotions after trauma can feel like rogue waves, overwhelming and unpredictable. Learning emotional regulation isn't about stuffing feelings down. It's about acknowledging them without letting them sink you. Try journaling, breathing exercises, or just giving yourself permission to feel without judgment. You're the captain of your emotional ship, not just a passenger. Tell your story. When you're ready, sharing your experience can be incredibly healing. Talking about it helps you process the chaos and find common ground with others. It can also help people going through similar struggles. Just remember, your trauma shouldn't become your entire identity or only conversation topic. Accept what happened. This is probably the hardest one. Acceptance doesn't mean you're happy about it or that you've forgotten. It means recognizing that this experience is now part of your story, but it doesn't have to define your future. You can move forward, scarred, but not broken. Because honestly, complaining about it forever just exhausts everyone, including yourself. So there you have it. 10 practical ways to navigate the aftermath of maritime trauma and start rebuilding your resilience. These aren't magic solutions, but they are concrete steps you can take to reclaim your life. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these steps hits home for your situation? What's helped you overcome major challenges? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides on surviving life's disasters. I'll see you next time.